Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this chicken shredder. I've already been using this for over 3 months now. So this is a great product if you like to make shredded chicken, chicken salad, chicken sandwiches. So let me show you everything that it brings and how well it works. So this is how the product looks. I already installed the handles right here. So both sides have some teeth on it, so that makes it easier to shred it. This is made out of a very durable plastic. So inside the box, it comes with the cleaning brush, some tongs to get the meat out of there, and then a small little fork also to pick up the small little pieces from here. So when you go to clean it, you just use the brush just to wash inside. This brush makes it a lot easier to clean it. And you can always clean the top also. So it gets inside every little nook and cranny in there. Okay, so I already put the chicken breast in the shredder, and I'll show you how to shred the meat real easily. So you just put the top on, press it down, and then you move it side to side like this. And you can see how easily the meat shreds. And then if you get any pieces that are stuck, you just move it to the middle and you just repeat the process. And you can see how quickly and easily that it shreds. Perfect for chicken salad. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great chicken shredder. I like how well that this product is made, and I like how easy it is to use. It's very easy to wash, and also like how it comes with the different accessories to help you clean it and to get the meat off once you finish shredding it. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.